Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if you have your Face Unlock not working in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 5G. The first thing you have to do is to open your device. Wait a moment, I need to unlock it, for example, via the fingerprint sensor. Now, the first thing you have to do is to take the some soft cloth, maybe not microfiber, but some soft cloth, and wipe here. Camera area. Now, once done, close your phone and now check if it works. Mine works. What about yours? If yours works, that's nice, but if yours doesn't, you need to now open the settings in your device and here tap fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let me just a little, maybe lower the brightness level, and tap face unlock. Draw your pattern and tap your face data. Tap delete face data, OK. Tap face unlock, and now draw your pattern back again. Here tap start, and wait 3 to 4 seconds to have your next option available. Now keep your frame in the keep your face in the frame so that they can scan it. And now once your face is scanned, then check if your face unlock does work. Now, mine works, as you can see. What about yours? If yours works right now, you can leave a like and subscribe to my channel. But if it still doesn't work, we need to go even further. During the setup of your face unlock, make sure that all the lights around you, that surrounds you, are turned on, or just do it outside during the day. Apart from that, you can try to remove the screen protector if it covers the camera, because it can interfere just with the process of the face unlock. If it still doesn't work after all these things, go to the settings and here tap about phone. Tap your Xiaomi HyperOS background and check if you have any updates. If you do, that's nice, but if you don't, you need to go to the authorized service and have your phone fixed. It's because here, if you do have any updates, it maybe it doesn't have to be, but maybe some quick bug fix for your device, and it can be easily fixed over here. If you do have the update and it didn't fix your issue, you need to contact device support, as I said earlier, to have your phone fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. If you have any questions for my video, please let me know in the comment section below. Goodbye.